Okay, hello class. Today I'll be talking about the book that I decided to read for the SSR. The title of the book is In the Heart of the Sea, The Tragedy of the Whale Ship Essex, and it was written by Nathaniel Philbrick. The Lexile level is 1210, and basically the book is about a whale ship called the Essex being sunk by a sperm whale, um and it tells the story of the 20 crew members that were on that ship and how they survived. Um the reason I chose this book was because I found it well, I had it and I found it again, and I had read the book already, but I want to reread it because I really liked it the first time that I read it. And the first time I read it, um, I found it intriguing because just the fact that it was an adventure that went wrong and like how wrong it went, to the extent that like there was cannibalism, there was people going delirious, like that really brought my attention. And also, in the back, the summary of the book, um, something that really intrigued me was when I read the ordeal of the Essex was as well known in its time as the story of the Titanic is today. So I was able to compare it and like compare the how tragic the event was, and that really brought my attention. Um, Now the I think that the purpose of the Heart of the Sea was because Nathaniel Philbrick wanted to tell the story of how the Essex, a whaling ship from Nantucket, was sunk, and how the 20 crew members were able to how the 20 crew members basically went, how they what was their experience, and like and how they went through starvation and dehydration, and even resorted to cannibalism to for so that they could live. Um, Throughout the story, Philbrick uses a collection of documents like maps. He uses pictures. He uses documents from Nantucket, which is where the ship is from, and to describe the life of the shipmates, and also he uses a long lost account by the ship's cabin boy tragic to tell the tragedy in a complete description. Um, and Finally, an excerpt that I found interesting was when it reads, "First they saw bones, human bones, littering the thwarts and floorboards as if the whaleboat were the seagoing lair of a ferocious man-eating beast. Then they saw the two men. They were curled up in opposite ends of the boat, their skins covered with sores, the eyes bulging from the hollows of the skulls, their beards caked with salt and blood. They were sucking the marrow from the bones of their dead shipmates." So this explains the how there was only two people left from the 20 that survived, and it just describes the tragic occasion of the Essex. And yeah, thank you. Um, have a good day.